So today we speak about assessment center. Why assessment center? Every industry, doesn't matter if it's the online industry or whatever, but we are of course onliners, has the situation that it's very hard to find good people. And to hire talent, I always recommend to find people that are talented and to train them and prepare them for the job as you see it, and they are not biased from their former company. So one of the opportunities that you can use for that, it's using an assessment center. An assessment center is practically a gathering of many people that want to work with you, that are of course pre-selected with their CV and other data. And then you interview them all in one day, in one place. It can be your office, it can be a conference center, it can be a hotel, God knows what. And you are presenting there your company and the job. So this is already the first important thing. You don't have to have 50 times people in your office and 50 times you have to tell the same story. You are telling it exactly one time. That's already one of the big advantages of an assessment center. Then you can make different tests with these people. So one of them is, for example, a group discussion. You are watching them, how they are interacting with other people. Are they fitting to your company? From their behavior, how they are respectful or disrespectful, how they are able to communicate. So this is the next thing. You can make after this a test with these people to see who was really paying attention to what you were speaking. You can ask for details about your company, about details about the industry, details about the job. And in that way, you directly find out with a simple sheet of paper if the person is really interested in this job or they just want to make money in God knows what way. After this, you can have a discussion with the most talented one and then make a decision. So in a really time-saving manner, you can interview a lot of people and find the right talent. Assessment Center, highly recommended. Try it out for your next hire.